Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing. Zip, zilch, zero, nada. It costs you nothing to hit that subscribe button. We do have the light on, so if you see all the shadows, hopefully that does not bother you. I think you'd rather be able to see in general. So today we're going to be finally switching out the cash, baby. It's already the 5th and your girl has been just kind of using birthday money to make it. And thank God I had it, but it's time to get the money switched over. It's time to do our cash stuffing of our wallet. We're going to have to unstuff, restuff, and then any money we have left over, we need to try to save some saving challenges if possible. So let's get right into today's video. First, let's start with our unstuffing. Anybody, my girl Bunny, having a budget with Bunny, sent this to me. I feel like just because, or Christmas or something. And Star Budgets makes these. Now, I don't know if she still makes them, but I believe you can reach out to her. Let's get into it, y'all. So we do have some money in gas. I actually need to get gas, but I didn't want to take it out of this money because I'm like, bro, we really need to, like, take it out of the money it's supposed to come out of, which is September money. It's not like I'm on E or anything, but when we restuff it, I'll probably get some gas tomorrow. I am going to mark off here the new beginning for when we get our deposit. And how much do we have left? We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We have $22, so at some point I used $10. I feel like I remember using $10 for something, but I can't remember what it was. Towards the end of the month there, everything like went weird. I feel like I gave a tip out of that, which is crazy because I need my money, okay? I need my money. Got a lot of singles. I love my new little holder. I got this on Amazon. I can link it down below. It was a double pack, you guys. I have another one. It's smaller. I need to do a giveaway. So there's gasoline empty. Again, still need new envelopes. These are falling apart. But baby, they've held on because I've had them since the beginning of the year, I believe. Self-care doesn't have any money in it, and that's okay. That was the plan. Eating out has a receipt, which I need to do fetch. If you're not doing fetch in Merrifield and scanning your receipts, you're missing out on points that can be redeemed for rewards. I've definitely used them. I think the last time I redeemed something was when my best friend came to visit. I was able to redeem a Walmart gift card and use it to stock my house with some of the things they wanted. It's free money, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's $4 left in eating out. Have fun doesn't have anything left. We never put anything in there. Miscellaneous has nothing. Giving has nothing. And the credit card has nothing. Now, I cannot remember what I used that $10 for, but I feel like I've been gypped because we should have whatever. We're just gonna keep it moving. So that's all we have in cash right now. In total we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. We have $26 left, which is great. So we'll move that to the back. And now we're going to get where our money resides. I put it in here.
Cause I'm asked, what the what? What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside. Okay.
This is where my money resides. I still can't get over how cute that freaking donut is. Let's count up our money. We should have $320 here. We have a total, I think, $580 now going into variables, but the grocery and the fund money is online. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 310, 320. Perfect. We have $320. Let me grab my little cheat sheet. All right. Monthly variables cheat sheet. Here's my little cheat sheet. I just printed it out. Let's restuff our envelopes. Gas is getting its normal $120, and you guys, so what I'm going to start doing is figuring it out over the 4 weeks span, because most months have 4 weeks. And that way I can come back maybe at the end of the week and do a short or something. And I'm trying to think about the best way to explain this, and then figure out how much is left on that week's portion. So let me explain it how I'm thinking it, because sometimes numbers are just easier for me. So let's say, no, our gas gets $120. Okay, want to be on though? Our gas gets $120. If that's divided over 4 weeks, that means it actually gets $30 per week. If I go and fill up the gas tank and don't use the full $30, then I want to be able to say, okay, I used $22 out of that $30. I have $8 to stuff into a challenge or a sinking fund each week. And so I want to do that with the ones that are cash. I hope that made sense to you all. That's what I want to do. So let's start. Gas is getting 120, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20. 120 going into gas. 9.5 deposit 120, 120. Then we have self-care, which is getting 80. So let's go ahead and create right in our. Now, normally, I don't think with self-care, I'm going to do what I just explained. I think what will happen with self-care is that when I go and get my pedicure and my eyebrows done, whatever's left from that, once I'm done with it, then that will get used into stuffing. And I'm either gonna take it out. I haven't decided 100% yet. Let me know in the comment. I'm either gonna do it weekly on like a short, or I'm gonna take out that money and move it to like the miscellaneous envelope in here, or keep track of it some way, because sometimes I don't have enough change. And then at the end of the month, do a stuffing with all that really should be left instead of rolling. I'm thinking about doing the take it out and move it to the miscellaneous and do one big one at the end of the month, only because if for some reason I go somewhere far and I need that extra money to pull, it's still in here. But let me know what you guys think. So let's grab our $80. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. I should have just gave that all 20s, to be honest. Because it's 20, 40, 60, $80 in self-care. Self-care envelopes holding on, okay? We love to see it. Then in eating out, that gets $80. Now, eating out, I will be splitting it up. So if it's $80, that means technically I get $20 per week to eat out. If I can manage to skip a week of eating out, that means $20 will go back. Because what happens is if I leave it in there, then I just find myself using it just because I know it's there, right? And if I could use it and just save it towards a savings challenge or something, then I'm like, okay, the week is done. You didn't spend it. We can use it for something else. I hope this all makes sense. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are kind of understanding what I'm saying. So that's $80 going to deposit into eating out. And we'll grab that. 20, 40. What else do we need to do? I think only 20, 40, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. That's eating out. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. Last time I took fun out, did I take? Okay. So instead of the fun this time, I left the fun on the card. This time we're going to do giving as what's in cash, because I usually have to give in cash. Last time I had birthdays, so that's why it's already separated. So we'll do 9.5, and this is a giving deposit, and that will be $40. I'm so excited. So I'm doing $40 this time for giving. And yeah, I wanted the smaller bills. So $40 for giving deposit. And we have 10, 20, 30, 40. Perfect. This poor envelope though. Dead to the world. All right, and that is everything we have in cash. $40 in fun will remain on the card, and $200 in groceries will also remain on the card. Now, there was more money left in gas, and we should address that now. There was $25 that I took out of gas that I gave to my uncle for picking me up from the hotel for my birthday vacation. However, I did say that I was going to take that out of the birthday money because it was actually supposed to come out of the birthday money. And I'm going to transfer that money into, you know, instead of bringing y'all through all of this, I'm going to just leave a screenshot of me moving that money, that $25, what it was, how much it was before the $25 was added. And then I moved $25 on birthday money, which is now treat yourself money. And this is how much the 100 envelope challenge has now. Quickly though, we'll go ahead and find the 100 envelope challenge, and we are still checking them off. So we had, the last time we did that, we had 21, 22, and 23, 24, 25. So what I'll do is I'm just going to mark off the 25. We know we're going to be doing the number 25. Is that what I was doing? Yeah, 25. We skipped 21, 22, 23, 24, but that's okay. We'll get there eventually. This challenge, this 100 envelope challenge, I'm almost about to change it into just a 50 envelope challenge and see if I can finish it the beginning of next year, but we'll see. Okay, so we've unstuffed, we've restuffed. Now time to do savings challenges. So exciting. So first off, if you saw my monthly reset, you would know that I would like to work on these cute bookmark saving challenges that Celista over at Beautifully Me and You sent to me, or gave to me for my birthday. It came with this beautiful bookmark challenge. But if you guys know anything about me, I am not a scratch off girl. It literally gives me hives. It gives me anxiety. But I just wanted to show you. So this is like the get ready for fall, and this is the Halloween one, and then this is Thanksgiving and Christmas, and this one is just double the bead challenge. You save $120, and this one you save $60, $15 blocks. Okay, so each one of these equals $15, I believe. Yes. This one I feel like I can do anytime, so I'm just gonna put that away. But with the coming of fall, I think this would be very good start. This and this one I'll be using for Halloween candy. I probably don't need $150 worth of Halloween candy, but I will be doing this one. Now I do want to go ahead and scratch it off. That's what I was saying about me being anxious about scratch offs. So the way her challenges are, they're kind of like scratch and saves. One side you scratch on each one of them. So this is the scratchy side on one, and the other side you kind of see the money. Love this side because I can see the money. So I appreciate you, Celissa, for thinking about all of this. But for me, who does not like to guess any of the money, I'm just going to scratch all my numbers off now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and either speed through, or I'll come back and cut to where all of these are cut off because I want to see what I'm working with. So you know how you be doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add these numbers, make sure they're actually $100. 20 plus 15 plus 10 plus 30 plus 25. Okay, so these are actually 100. They're pretty low denominations, minus this 30, so I'm very happy about that. I am going to see what we have, and then go from there. So we have $26 to play with, and that means I can do this 25 right now and get that out the way. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Dang, we only have $1 left. I feel like I'm just going to put the $26 in there. And we're just going to call it a day. Because I'll have an extra dollar. It's not a big deal. I'm going to put the money in this beautiful holographic printed envelope. I am not the biggest fan of these kind of envelopes, to be honest. I feel like this thing always falls off, but it came with the challenge, and okay, we're gonna use it. We're going to use it because we already have it, and I quite like the holographic things, and I like that I don't have to fold my money. If you know me, I don't like to fold my money. It's a pet peeve of mine. Okay, so we're just gonna take the black marker and we're just going to mark through it, just so we know that we've done it. And what I like is that I said these are laminated, so you can wipe them off with nail polish remover, hand sanitizer, and a cotton round or paper, and then use them again. And if you really are into scratching, you can probably just order the little scratchy pieces and put them back on top and scratch again if that's what you want to do. But that's $26 saved. And I'm very happy with that. Overall, we had about, what, $51 saved this month, with the $25 going into that and the $26 going into this. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for rocking with me today. I hope you enjoyed. How is your savings going? How are you excited for September? Anything fun going on for you in September? Have you put up your fall decor yet? I will definitely be doing that this month. And then are you going to do Halloween decorations? I'm not gonna really do that this month, maybe 1 or 2 things. And do you give out candy at your house? All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, always be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye. Love you, mean it. Bye.